Welcome you all to the Civil Action Note channel. So in this channel we are regularly making videos regarding the job information for the civil engineer. In this video we are going to know the vacancies which is came from the WSP, which is an MNC for the civil engineers. So they are going to conduct an virtual interview on 21st. So what are the job positions are available and what is the eligible experience are required from their company's side. So these are going to be discussed in this video. So before going on to the information, if you are new to our channel, please click on the subscribe button to get the regular updates regarding the job information, both government and private, and also some of the lectures. So we move on to the notification which is came from the WSP. So it is came in the LinkedIn page. So this was the information which is came, and here they are mentioning about recruiting the number of positions within our UK highway team. So they are shown up the job positions in this post. Better view in some other mode. So you can see that here. So you can see that the job positions for assistant engineer in highway and controller, planner, and the CAD technician, both highway and roads and highway. Same for the engineering highways and CAD technician. So everything here they are mentioned for the highway department. So the job location is going to be in and around Bangalore and Noida. So they are expecting the candidates with the experience of UK projects. So in some post it is mandatory, and some post they have just mentioned it is required. So please read out the experience given here. So for the assistant engineer and highway, so they are needed with the experience of UK projects. So the minimum years of experience is 2 years. So the experience must be in UK projects. Same way here for the assistant project controller, they are not asking it as a mandatory experience, but here also they are mentioned you about the experience minimum required is 2 years, and overall 5 years is needed. So minimum 2 years you need to have experience in UK projects, and overall you need to have 5 years and above experience is required. So likewise you can see for the every post you are having the same things, you are having experience in UK projects is required along with some other experience. Likewise they have mentioned here. So the people who are watching this video, if you are eligible, please check on these information and after that you apply. So this is the first thing I need to say that. And you can see the mail address, so which is given here. So you can send your resumes if you are eligible and you are capable for applying this job. You can send your resume through this mail ID, and they will verify it, and you can participate in the virtual interview on 21st January. So this is the information which is came from the WSP, and I think this information might be useful for the people who are having the experience in UK projects. So in next video I come up with some other information, job information. So till that, thank you and bye.